quoting estimation process is always challenging across industry types, and MRO is probably not going to be any sort of exception. But the marketplaces that you have pointed out there, even inside aviation industry, you are going to have several different micro verticals. They are going to have their own sort of product types, their own sort of estimation process. So is this specific to MRO, or is that uh, across the board among aviation micro industries? I would assume that that's probably just for MROs, right?
No, the capabilities are specific to
I'm talking
MROs.
about the marketplaces that you had there, in terms of the
I
integration.
apologize. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
that goes across. So if you take marketplaces like PartsBase, ILS, Locatory, AeroXchange, AvSpares, and so on, they are a blend between commodities or parts, aftermarket parts, and repair capabilities. Some more than others. So AeroXchange caters more to airlines and people that
Yeah.
work with airlines. ILS and PartsBase sort of work with the entire industry from OEMs down to one or two person broker operation and everybody in between. AvSpares facilitates RFQs between companies. Locatory does the same thing that PartsBase and ILS do. So that's all over the place. And our ability to be able to connect with them through API, in my opinion,
Yeah.
changes the game because we don't have to parse emails. We don't have to use our customers' usernames and passwords to log in on their behalf and capture information. So the data is live. You sell something today, it shows as gone in 2 minutes and it's updated virtually in real time. And that sort of takes away the responsibility of having somebody update a spreadsheet, to update inventory, to update repair capabilities, to update anything else that they're selling.